disobeyed the order given by the police officer or police superintendent's messenger. So after that, what happened? Gandhi received, in consequence, as a result, Gandhi received a summon to appear in the court the next day. The person who came to help the Indian peasants, the person who came to Champaran to give justice to the sharecroppers, now he received a summon to appear in the court. What will happen? Let's see. All night Gandhi remained awake. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with influential friends. Influential friends means famous. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with some influential lawyers. And he sent instructions to the ashram also. What happened the next day? Let's see. Morning found the town of Matihari black with peasants. That means what? The next day, as Gandhi had to appear in the court, so all the peasants of Matihari, they went to the court to support Gandhi. They did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. These poor sharecroppers did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. What did Gandhi do in South Africa? They did not know about Gandhi's record. But they knew one thing. They knew that a Mahatma, they heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities. So they knew one thing, that a Mahatma, a great soul, Mahatma, great soul. So a Mahatma came to help them and he was in trouble. So they had to support him. Okay, that's why all the peasants of Matihari, they came to the court to support Gandhi. Thousands of people are there. Thousands and thousands of peasants came to support Gandhi to the Matihari court. Their spontaneous demonstration in thousands around the courthouse was the beginning of their liberation from fear of the British. So on the day of the trial, on that day, a large crowd gathered near the court. And it became impossible for the officials to handle them. Then what happened? See, this line is very important. Their spontaneous demonstration, they protested. In thousands of people are there, thousands of peasants are there, and they protested. Around the courthouse was the beginning of their liberation from fear of the British. The arrival of peasants in large number was the starting point for their freedom from fear of the British. Correct? This is very important. And the officials felt powerless without Gandhi's cooperation. I told you already, he helped them regulate the crowd. As a large number of people, a large crowd gathered near the court, so it became impossible for the officers to control the crowd. And Gandhi helped them, helped the officers to control the crowd. And then Gandhi was giving them concrete proof that their might, hitherto they dreaded and unquestioned, could be challenged by Indians. Gandhi here gave the British, he gave them proof that their might, their power could be challenged by Indians. Hitherto, that means till this time, dreaded means feared. Gandhi proved that the power of the British could be challenged by Indians. Because for the first time, the peasants, the Indian peasants, stood against the British. They supported Gandhi They went to that court to support Gandhi. Thousands of peasants went to the court, Motihari court, to support Gandhi. And that was the first time. That was the beginning of their freedom from fear of the British. That is very important. The government was baffled, confused. The government was confused what to do because so many people are there. The prosecutor requested the judge to postpone the trial. So the prosecutor, what did he do? Requested the judge to postpone the case. Because they wanted to consult their superiors. But Gandhi protested against the delay. Gandhi protested. He read a statement pleading guilty. He told the court he was involved in a conflict of duties. This is another important thing. What did he tell the court? He told the court that he was involved in a conflict of duties. Let's see what is conflict of duties. That means duties opposite to each other. What were his duties? Let's see. On the one hand, not to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. On the other hand, to render the humanitarian and national service for which he had come. So what were his duties? Let's see. Gandhi told the court that he had two opposite duties to fulfill. The first one is he did not want to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. The first thing is he did not want to break the law. He did not want to break law. He did not want to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. On the other hand, he wanted to help the sharecroppers. He wanted to give justice to the sharecroppers for which he came to that place. Humanitarian and national service. As a human being, he wanted to help the poor sharecroppers. He wanted to give justice to the sharecroppers. So that was his another duty. First duty, his humanitarian duty is that he wanted to give justice to the poor people. And on the other hand, he did not want to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. On the other hand, he did not want to break the law. So he was confused what to do. He was in a conflict of duties, two opposite duties. He had two opposite duties. So what did he do? He disregarded the order to leave. Again, he decided to disobey the order given by the British officers. He listened to his conscience and he decided to stand by the side of the sharecroppers. He asked the penalty due. Okay. That means he requested the court to punish him. After that, what happened? The magistrate announced that he would pronounce sentence after a 2-hour recess. Recess means break. And asked Gandhi to furnish bail for those 2 hours or 120 minutes. Gandhi refused. The judge released him without bail. The magistrate announced that he would pronounce sentence after 120 minutes break. And asked Gandhi to submit a bail for the time of recess. But Gandhi refused. So the judge released him without bail. When the court reconvened, when the court restarted, the judge said he would not deliver the judgment for several days. Meanwhile, he allowed Gandhi to remain at liberty. So what was the judgment given by the court? The judge did not give any judgment. The judge said he would give judgment after several days. and he allowed Gandhi to remain free till that time. So that was the court case of Matihari. So Gandhi was released.